Farming is the story of life because every bite of food starts in a field. But today, something is changing fast. The weather is acting strange, and our farms are feeling it. Look at a small plant in the soil. It is tiny, but it is powerful. Plants give us food, shade, clean air, and they keep the land alive. When we plant more trees and plants, the air feels cooler and calmer. When we cut plants and trees, the land becomes weaker, hotter, and more fragile. In the past, seasons felt more regular. Rain came in its time, sunshine came in its time, and farmers planned their work around that rhythm. Now, many farmers say the season feels confused. Sometimes it is sunny when rain is expected, and rainy when sunshine is needed most. Imagine a crop that is flowering. At that time, it needs gentle sun and a calm breeze to grow strong. But suddenly, heavy rain arrives, or a storm hits with strong wind. Flowers get damaged, pollen gets washed away, and the plant becomes stressed. Then, right after the rain, harsh sunlight appears, and the heat rises fast. Wet leaves stay warm and damp, and that can invite plant diseases. This is why strange weather hurts farming in many ways. It is not only the rain, it's the timing, the speed, and the surprise. Other times the rain disappears for many days. Soil becomes dry like powder, leaves curl, and crops stop growing. Storm winds can push crops down. When plants fall and cannot stand again, harvest becomes smaller and harder. And when fields become muddy, farmers cannot enter with machines. Work gets delayed, and delays can cost a whole season. Now let's talk about what happens after harvesting. When crops are cut, the land becomes open and bare. Bare soil is like skin without protection. It dries faster, heats faster, and breaks apart more easily. When wind blows over bare soil, dust rises. That dust is not just dirt, it is the farm's fertility flying away. And when heavy rain hits bare soil, the water cannot soak in properly. It runs on the surface, carrying the best soil away into drains and streams. So the land loses strength little by little, and farmers must spend more money to fix what nature was giving for free. Sponge, it absorbs water and saves it. But when we cut trees, we remove that protection. Then heat becomes stronger, wind becomes harsher, and the soil becomes weaker. And something else happens when trees are cut. The birds start leaving. Birds are not only beautiful, many birds help farmers by eating insects that damage crops. When birds live near fields, they search for pests. They pick insects from leaves and reduce pest pressure naturally. But when trees disappear, birds lose homes. No nests, no shade, no safe place, so they fly away. Then insects can multiply faster, and farmers may feel forced to spray more chemicals to protect the crop. Also, when nature becomes silent, pollinators suffer too. Many flowers need calm weather and healthy habitats for pollination. If storms and heat keep hitting at the wrong times, the fruit set can drop and yields can fall. So you see, farming is not only about one plant, it is a whole system: soil, water, trees, birds, insects, and weather. Now, the big question is, what can we do? The good news is we can still protect our agriculture. First, plant trees where they help the most, along field boundaries, beside canals, near roads, and around farms. Even small tree lines can act as windbreaks. They make the field calmer and crops stand stronger during storms. Second, keep the soil covered when possible. Cover crops, mulching, and leaving plant residue can protect soil like a blanket. When rain hits covered soil, it soaks in better. Less runoff, less erosion, and more moisture saved for dry days. Third, save water smartly. Small rainwater pits or ponds can store water when heavy rain comes. Drip irrigation can deliver water right to roots. That means less waste and more strength in the plant. Fourth, bring nature back for birds and beneficial insects. Hedges, shrubs, birdhouses, and small tree patches give them a home. When birds return, the field becomes more balanced, and balance means fewer pest explosions and healthier crops. And finally, remember this simple truth. Cutting plants may feel like a small act, but many small acts can change a whole land. If we keep cutting trees without planting new ones, our farms can become hotter, drier, and more damaged by storms. But if we plant, protect, and care for nature, we can make farms stronger, cooler, and more stable. So here is a challenge for you. Plant one tree. Protect one plant. Make one small place greener. Because when we save plants, we save birds. When we save birds, we reduce pests. When we save soil and water, we protect our food. And when we protect our food, we protect our future. Let's not wait until agriculture becomes too weak to recover. If this message matters to you, share it with someone. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to Agriculture Verse. Because the future of farming is not only machines or technology. The future of farming is also trees, soil, birds, and the choices we make today.
You did a great job planting that. It's going to grow big and strong, just like you.